Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're back with another one. So today, I'm gonna show you my top 5 plugins. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. My top 5 plugins for 2025. If you wanna sound, you're naive. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. Yeah, but my top 5. Number one is this one. Can I read Harmless? This is one very underrated plugin. Harmless. I use this bass, but it has a lot of sounds. It has a lot of nice sounds. It has a lot of nice sounds, but this one I use this preset I made. Here's the bass. It's that Mellow and Sleazy JD kind of sound. Yeah, and number 2 is Flex. This Flex is very underrated. It has a lot of great sounds. Like here, I use this bass, but I use this as a chord. I used it as a chord. It has nice organic sounds. And if you want the other presets, just because when this comes in stock, it has like a few presets, but I can give you the download ones. You can download the other presets. Number three, Orchestral. Where's Orchestral? This one is for live instruments. These instruments sounds kind of like realistic, almost not perfect, but almost. I love using this sounds. I mean this plugin, but I love using this. There's a flute. I don't know why this one not loading, but I use the flute. Number 4. I don't know if I opened it. Did I? Oh my god, I didn't open it. The other one is Ana, but it's gonna take a long time to open. C-N-A-N-A, Ana. I'll show the picture of it now, but it's gonna take a while to load. This plugin, one of my favorite. The Ana plugin. The other one. Where is it? Where is it? Number 4 is Ana, and the 5th one is Hive. Hive, one of the most underrated plugins. Most people use this. Not most people, but most producers have this, but don't really use it. I've heard the likes of Mellow and Sleazy using this, Last Born, or I could name a few. Most people use this plugin. So number 1 was Harmless, number 2 Flex, number 3 Orchestral, number 4 was Ana, number 5 is Hive. Those are my top plugins I use so far. I use this a lot. I use these a lot. Let me show you my favorite basses. Basses. This one. Yeah, this This one is one of my favorites. Let me play something. Yeah, go on our top 5. My top 5 favorite plugins. Maria. So that's it. Yeah, that's it for today. Yeah. So I'll play the track, but don't forget number 1, Harmless. Number 2, Flex. Number 3, Orchestral. Number 4, Hive. There's one left. Kingan. Oh, Flex. Killing. Harmless. Flex. Anna. Orchestral. Yeah, and the other one, Hive. Get a 5. 5 fella. That's my top 5 plugins for this year, 2025. Yeah, Marina Flowball. We'll go back today. What? You'll comment, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. That's it for now. Comment down more. You must comment what you wanna see next. If you have a tutorial or something, comment down below. Hola. Regular track before the year, man. Love you. Subscribe.